Hey everyone, today's Metcon is going to be a Tabata style workout called Termites. It's going to be for total repetitions. We have two different types. One is for total repetitions and one is for minimum reps. So today is going to be for total reps. So you're going to keep counting the repetitions that you do and give us a grand total at the end of the workout. Today's workout is going to be 19 minutes long. We're going to have 4 different exercises. So we're going to spend the first 4 minutes doing only deadlifts. Then we're going to rest for a minute. Then we're going to do 4 minutes only doing alternate hand V-ups. Then we will rest for a minute. Then we move to the next exercise, so on and so forth. The 4 minutes of deadlift will be broken down into 8 different rounds. Each round is 30 seconds long. 20 seconds we will do as many repetitions as possible. Then we will take a 10-second rest. Then we'll do again 20 seconds as many repetitions of deadlifts as possible, and then we'll rest for 10 seconds. So on and so forth till 8 rounds are over. So therefore you know that each round is going to be 30 seconds long. So 8 rounds is going to take us a total of 4 minutes. At the end of 4 minutes, you will have a total number of reps for deadlifts. Then we will rest for a minute. Then we'll do 4 minutes of the next exercise, which is alternate hand V-ups. Okay guys, so I hope you got that. Don't worry about it if you haven't still understood what I just said. Your coach will explain it to you during class. Today's workout is pretty straightforward. So your intended stimulus is of course to get as many reps as possible. For this, the only thing that we can tell you is keep moving at a medium pace. Don't sprint out the gates too hot because you will get tired. There's not enough of rest. It's only 10-second rest. So if you go too hard for 20 seconds and get only 10-second rest, it probably will not be enough for you. So we suggest that you find a medium pace. First exercise is going to be the deadlift. It starts off on the weight on the floor. You're going to grab the weight and stand up, keeping your core engaged and your back as straight as possible. Make sure there's no pain in your lower back while you lift the weight up. Every time you bring the weight down, the weight should touch the floor, and every time you bring the weight up, you should have your knees straight and your hips straight in full extension. Our second exercise is going to be the alternate hand V-ups. You're going to be lying down on the floor, preferably on a mat if you have one, with your hands outstretched on either side. You're going to bring one foot up and use your opposite hand to touch the toe, the way Ashish is doing here. Third exercise is going to be the shoulder to overhead. So starting off with the weight on your shoulders, you're going to try and give me as many reps of you locking out your elbow. You can use your hips and drive through with your legs to bring the weight up, but every repetition has to end with you standing up straight. Please remember, the rep does not end. Do not bring the weight down till you lock your elbow and you lock your knees. And you can change hands at any point of time. Anytime you get tired with your right hand, you can move to your left hand, so on and so forth. Our last exercise is going to be the jumping split squat. Starting with your feet together, you're going to jump your feet apart and touch the floor with your back straight. Every time you touch the floor, we will count it as 1 repetition. We're going to have 4 different scores: total number of deadlifts, / total number of V-ups, / total number of STOs, / total number of split squats for your score today. Don't forget to upload your scores and have a great one, guys.